Another stunning Range Rover Sport. Very desirable colour combination. This car is a 3-litre diesel, but it's a HSE Dynamic in the upgraded Yulong White with a pimento red and black interior, so it works beautifully well. Contrasting black roof. The car's only covered 20,000 miles. It is beautiful. And the colour, if you just zoom in, it's not your average white. It's a stunning pearlescent white metallic paint, which just transforms the look of the car. Now, I said at the start of the video, this car is a dynamic. So you've got full dynamic bumpers, so you get this extra front section of the car all colour-coded in the Yulong White, which looks lovely. You get dynamic wheels, so you've got 21-inch diamond cut, silver and black. As you can see, they are unmarked. You've then got side steps, but what's lovely with this car, I've mentioned the interior, but it's got the contrasting black roof. It's got a sliding panoramic roof, so it just sits and looks beautiful. And then with it being the dynamic, you get that extra section here, colour-coded as well with the twin exhausts. The car's lovely, absolutely lovely. And I touched on it at the start. The colour is key, Yulong White, but then the interior transforms the whole look of the car. You can see you've got this stunning two-tone. You've got the Meridian, you've got the Meridian sound system. You can see this leather running all the way through along the dash, and then you get the inserts finished in the black Alcantara. Great feature, and it just transforms the look of the car. Dynamic steering wheel. So with it being a dynamic, these are the important things, because you can buy a HSE and then you see a HSE Dynamic, and that's the difference, the bumpers. You get a slightly smaller leather steering wheel, but then they've paid for this upgraded interior. Sliding panoramic roof, again, upgrades, and the car is lovely. It's done 20,664 miles. You then got everything else you would expect with your Range Rover. So you've got your cruise control, you've got your touchscreen navigation with your Apple CarPlay, your in-control apps, your reversing camera. The seats are all heated, all the things that you would expect from a luxurious Range Rover. But for me, this is about Yulong White, dynamic, and the interior. That's what makes it unique. And people, we've had them in the past, they love buying a white car, especially not your everyday white, but then having the interior. I've had them, has it got this interior? Well, yeah, it's just arrived and it's got it. The rear seats in the back, they are heated as well. And then moving around the rear, got your electric tailgate. The other beauty with this car is as well, if you go and buy, you can see your boot space is great, you can drop the seats. But what I was saying, the other beauty with this car as well, if you go and order a brand new Range Rover today, HSE Dynamic, which will cost you £80,000 plus, this is the shape you would get. That's the shape, that's the car. Now this car is 2.5 years old, it's 56,990, it's only done 20,000 miles. So sometimes I think it affects things. When a new model Range Rovers come out, people think, oh, well, I haven't got the latest model. Well, there it is, still got it. That's the latest shape in a lovely colour combination. 21-inch diamond cut wheels, the pan roof, the contrasting black roof. Great example, 56,990, hitting the website now.